if you're a designer who struggles picking out the right colors just like me, then ChatGPT, the new AI tool, can really help you out. Check this out. I'm just going to paste in here what color palette would be best for a woman fitness coach brand, and let's see what it gives me. So it's generally a good idea to choose color that reflects the brand personality and target audience. For a woman fitness coach, you might consider using colors that are energetic and vibrant. So bright and bold, soft and pastel. So they're actually giving here actual really good suggestions, and not only they're actually giving me very solid answers like earth tones for more natural and organic look. You might using color palette featuring earth tones. They're actually giving me the words to then explain my clients why I picked out this specific color palette, which for me is a huge help. So give this a try. The actual very cool thing is you might ask the same question twice and get different results, and they're all valid and really, really interesting. For me, this is a huge time saver.